Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the memory limit to WP-CLI. You're going to need that when you're installing a package and the PHP memory is not enough. Usually, PHP has several INI files. One is for CLI or for command line interface, and another one is for, let's say you have Apache, and there's one for Apache, and if you have PHP FPM, there's probably another one sitting somewhere in your system. So I'm assuming that your PHP is installed in this location and WP-CLI is in this location, and to increase the memory you need to call PHP first and then specify this parameter, which basically overrides the settings in the WP, actually non-WP, in PHP INI file that's currently used to set that value. And then we call WP-CLI and then pass the rest of the parameters. There's another option might be to just increase the memory limit of your PHP INI file. So for example, if I switch to this, so let's see the version of the PHP, and we have Apache and CLI. We need to go to CLI, and then we can search for memory limit. Interesting, yeah. In some cases, it shows as -1, which is no limit, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. I highly recommend that you put it to a higher value, let's say a gigabyte or something, rather than setting it to unlimited, because sometimes programs will try to use as much memory as possible. For example, if there's a bug or recursion and things like that, and having that memory limit in place blocks it or makes those issues more obvious. So that's how you can increase the memory limits of the WP-CLI for that specific scenario. I'm going to switch here to the WordPress handbook, developer handbook, and they give you also some examples that you need to find, how to find the PHP INI file, and when you have the location of the file, you can update it. Actually, they used which is nice. That way, dynamically, the system will dynamically resolve the path. Again, could be a good thing or a bad thing. So that's about it. And by the way, I'm using QSandbox. Yeah, it's a great system where you can test plugins and themes and so on. Thanks for watching and have a great day. To get to this article, you need to go to qsandbox.com/857.